Hello there, c'est le Maltempo Report. Tout d'abord, il y a un cyclone ici, ouais, et un autre cyclone ici, ouais. Voici, Bejisa. En ce moment, un avertissement de cyclone de classe 1 est en vigueur à Maurice et en la Réunion. Pré-alerte cyclonique en cours, ouais. Bulletin de vigilance météorologique en cours la Réunion, ouais. So, since I don't know much French, right, so there's a pre-alert status cyclone pre-alert status in effect for La Réunion, and it's apparently Mauritius in English, but I don't know, Maurice. We'll say they have a class 1 cyclone alert. I think with the last one that came through, it got as high as class 4, just to give it some sort of context. But the thing right now is quite far out from, well, or at least the center of it is quite far out from the actual islands at the moment. In fact, Météo France, I believe, has the best map for this, for being able to see, except for the fact they're so tiny. There we go. There is what is in the official Météo France outlook or whatnot, the trajectory, the trajectoire, a word like that. So, per them, it's going to brush past to this area of La Réunion and Maurice. I think the JTWC path has it actually going in between. Okay, I take that back. But yes, let's see if we can find this thing on the satellite. So there you go. There is Bejisa at the moment. So still, the outer bands obviously starting to get to the islands. And in fact, if you look at the Météo France thing, they have an advisory or warning or whatnot in effect for, like, what, the storm surge or the high waves, whichever it is. La U cyclonique. Oui, whatever that means, right? Levage maximum, right? That would be waves, I think. Right, so that is what is in effect at the moment. Obviously, the closer this thing gets, the worse the impacts are going to be. Righto, so that is Bejisa. Over here in Australia, right, we do that. Right, so we've got, this thing is completely out of date, and it's kind of hard to tell. This is the JTWC path that's out there, but the Bureau of Meteorology has been updated. So this is apparently where Christine actually is at the moment. In fact, which one is not on that. Okay, South Pacific, let's try that one. There you go. There's a view of where Christine is at the moment. So here's the Bureau of Meteorology's path map with this thing. And then if you go on and scroll down, you can start to read about, what is it? Damaging wind gusts are likely to continue. So even though it's weakened below tropical cyclone intensity, as it says right there, there's still the potential for damaging wind gusts. And of course, moderate to heavy rainfall and a flood watch in effect. Because that's often when you get the heaviest rains, is as the system dies off. All that precipitation or whatnot that was up in the sky has to go somewhere. So that is what is going on in the land of tropical cyclones at the moment. So those two storms. In the land of US, severe thunderstorm weather, absolutely nothing. No severe thunderstorms on this fine, was it New Year's Eve? New Year's Eve! Cannot pronounce that word correctly today, apparently. And predicted to stay fine for the next few days. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise, anyhow. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.